Hey, I'm Shivam Yadav, a senior software engineer working at Ksolves. I've been here for last 5 years. Let me tell you something which we have built and we are really proud of. So the task was simple to build a healthcare CRM based on the Salesforce Sales Cloud. Normally for requirements like this, clients are looking at Health Cloud licenses, months of consulting, a long and expensive process. So that's just been the standard till now. We decided to challenge that standard. Under Ksolves AI First initiative, we brought Claude. So Claude helped us to create the healthcare CRM at every stage. We have built a pre-built healthcare CRM which is ready to install and which replicates the core features of Health Cloud CRM, for example, patient management, care coordination, care plan, appointment scheduling, etc. This allowed us to cut the implementation timeline by 30% without compromising the scalability and customization. So as first step, we used Claude to analyze the core data model of Health Cloud, which gave us a specification file which included more than 20 plus custom objects, 200 plus custom fields, LWC, Apex, triggers, flows, a security compliance layer, and the specification file was so much detailed that there was no back and forth during the discovery phase. So we handed this specification file to our developers and our developers just started analyzing what was written and following the steps written in the specification file, and our whole development was done based on this specification file. Every object, every field, every Apex file, LWC, metadata, permission sets, profile, everything was written with the help of Claude Code, and this helped us our client to go live with the healthcare CRM within few weeks, and which led them to save up to $50,000. What would have taken 4 to 6 months for delivered within weeks. And now coming to the obvious question, was someone replaced by the AI? No, nobody was replaced by the AI. Instead, we used AI to do the repetitive and slow tasks. For example, the documentation, architect design, now field creation, metadata creation. So for all these things, we use our Claude Code. If you are looking to speed up your go-to-market with AI-driven implementation, Ksolves can help you to get there faster.